Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Pexto Air Assist Shear. Gauge soft steel. Has an air cylinder on it. I don't know exactly how well it works. That would make a handy addition to anybody's metal shop. Another Pexto. This one's $5.95. That one is $9.95. They were $1,600 each. Cool stuff, but no room at the house. Even if I wanted it, I got no place to put it. There's lots of things here. Not necessarily things that I want, but there's lots of things. Yeah, we're still in Michigan. It's in pretty good condition, but I have way too many hand grinders as it is. Shingle cutters, belt sander. That little belt sander, those are kind of handy. I've got one of those. And that one's $8. They get a little excessive with the prices on their electrical equipment. That little 4-inch grinder, 4.5-inch grinder down there is nice, but it's got the small shank on it, so they won't accept the standard size wheels. These are the files that I showed you, what, 3-4 weeks ago, maybe it was a month or longer. Still here. I have a small set of number stamps. This is a large set of number stamps, but I don't stamp numbers. At least not very often. So it's a nice thing to have for $4, but I don't need it. Now if you're into Lufkin tape measures, they've got a bunch of them. And you can be the world's greatest hunter for $15 a piece. I have a whole den full of them. Tell wonderful stories about how you shot them. $3 for a fire extinguisher. Yeah, I think we'll do that. Oh, and look at this cute little set of lineman's pliers. They're not die cast, they're actual steel.
With fire extinguisher in hand, I headed out. Gotta go to Vicksburg and check out home again. That's the third stop on my run.
If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.